Good morning, SLO. This is Chenda. I'm the Executive Director at the San Luis Obispo Botanical Garden. I wanted to talk to you about the Children's Garden and our Pickets for programs. Our Children's Garden is a place to explore and learn about nature. Here, our teaching staff and volunteers offer a wide variety of educational activities for children of all ages. As part of our ongoing efforts to grow the garden's world-class collections, our vision to educate and inspire people to embrace nature remains our focus. Through children's programs like weekly acorn explorations, summer camps, docent-led tours for school field trips, and interactive displays in the children's garden, we are better able to engage connections with nature through all 5 senses. For $75, anyone can purchase a ticket to paint with the theme, Connecting People with Nature. Pickets will be displayed around the children's garden for the next 3 years. The educational programs at the garden are phenomenal and well known throughout the community, and we are so thankful to all of the generous community members who have purchased a Picket so far to keep the programs going. But we still need your support. People like you help make SLO County the amazing and philanthropic community that it is. Please consider purchasing a Picket or 5 to allow for more children of all ages to be inspired by nature. You may purchase today at slobg.org or reach out to Ann Stevens at ann@slobg.org. Thank you.